Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can delete your Royalmatch account in 2023. So by the end of this video you're going to understand how you'll be able to delete and completely get rid of your Royalmatch account. Now, as a Royalmatch player you have the right to request a deletion for all information we have about your game account. Please keep in mind that deleting your game account data will also mean deleting all of the data we've gathered about your game account, including any in-game purchases or event achievements. This process could take up to 7 days, and after your game account data has been removed, it cannot be recovered. You're going to tap the Contact Us button located at the top of the right corner of the screen, or tap No down below on the screen and tap Contact Us. When the chat window appears, please write Delete My Account. So unfortunately, there isn't a way for you to delete the account within the application. You'll have to go through the customer support system in Royalmatch, type in Delete My Account, and it will be automatically to delete your account. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.